Will Turner here with another Frazer Sugarland update. As you can see behind me, have some pretty exciting work going on today. We have our crane out here putting up our tilt wall panels. It's early Monday morning. We have 5 panels already up. They look like they're going to be able to get the rest of them up today. They're blown and going, making some crazy progress out here. It's impressive how quickly they can get these walls up. Yep, so once they get the walls up, over here in the corner, we have our structural steel is already here on site. So they're gonna be putting that together and getting the roof put on as soon as the walls are up there. But this is for our future expansion, where we're gonna have all of our fabrication equipment, paint booths, welding areas. So all of that, the building is going up. We'll have some walls here soon.